In terms of women empowerment, I think Lebanon is a bit lucky compared to the region. We are more like European standards in a way, because if you look at our chiefs, for instance, we have 3 or 4 in a way, how you count it, right? Chief ladies already in the system for a long time. Noor is one of them. You know, there are 2, 3 others, to be honest with you, 3 others actually. 2 and 3, because the third one is not the chief, but they are directors and they are leaders. So I think we are ahead of the game. Noor, this year I attend the program you mentioned. We is not going to consider only women, but you mentioned like gender diversity, men. Because have, I mean, sometimes really men are kind of underprivileged here. So to be honest, it's more like not like contrary to maybe Sudan or Saudi Arabia. You know, I remember Sultan was talking about like 1 or 2, 1 leader, you know, whatsoever. So our objective is going to be maybe 4, which is like 40% of the leadership. Right now it's 30%. And if you look at the director and below level, I think we are more like global telecom standards. More than 25–30% of our total workforce in the leadership level is women.
We're very excited in Lebanon to be part of this great program sponsored by Vice Chairman of Zain, Mr. Al-Kharafi, and our CEO, Mr. Emri. This is a great initiative indeed, especially that we have witnessed its evolution to today's gender diversity and inclusion. We're excited about that in Lebanon, especially with the introduction of our latest male ambassadors to be added to the bouquet of our 9 female ambassadors. We look forward to achieving the related goals at Touch. So way to go.
I'm pleased to be here today at the WE program. This program was what's initiated by Zain Group Deputy Chairman and CEO, is widely supported by the management team at Touch. We're pleased to receive the ladies from all Zain Opcos today in Beirut. And on behalf of the management team, I'm pleased to say thank you for their presence. We were very pleased with the discussion that took place today and with the interaction with the president, and we wish them well and hoping that this program will pursue in the coming months and that the results will take place all across the different Zain Opcos. Thank you very much.
Thank you.